Hello and welcome back. Today I've got another awesome product from the Royal Mint. So actually, whilst I was on the website waiting for the 50 years of the 50p, which was this one. If you haven't seen the video on that, I uploaded that last Saturday. Whilst I was on there, it was also pointed out by CoinPig in the Discord that this coin was available in silver proof, which I didn't realise. So I don't know if there was just less marketing for it, but it is the silver proof Wedgwood £2. I don't know if just the £2 are less popular, or the fact that there wasn't much in the way of publicity that I could tell, or we could tell. But I couldn't help myself. It's my first silver proof £2 coin, and there's a fairly low mintage of them as well. So I snapped it up, panicking, thinking they would all disappear and that I'd missed the chance to own one of these. Like what happened with the Stephen Hawking, that I ended up having to go to the secondary market for that. But it's got a neat little pamphlet. I was hoping it would say the mintage figures in there. If not, I'm sure it would be somewhere else in the pamphlet, in the box maybe. But let's have a look. Wowee, look at that. Come on. Ah, it's not coming out. Oh, there we go. How cool does that look? Wow. I'm a fan of that. Wouldn't it be cool if this goes into circulation? It probably won't. Like last year's £2. Very, very neat. So, let's have a look then. Zoom out a little bit. There's number 330. Look, 0330. That's a cool number to have. So it's £2 coin. It is silver plated with fine gold. Maximum coin mintage 4,500. So in my mind that is very, very low. But I don't know, like I said, when I was last on the Royal Mint website, I have been checking and it was still available. So if this is something that interests you, go check out the website. It's quite difficult, more difficult to focus on than the 50p, silver proof 50p's I've had. So being my first silver proof £2 coin, what do I think? Well, I'm very, very happy with it. I think that is stunning. And unfortunately, I think it's going to mean I'm going to need to get some more. That Frankenstein silver proof is going to be awesome if I can source one. But the problem is that some of the older ones, you're only going to get them from the secondary market, and I don't want to pay a massive premium for them if I'm honest. But I will definitely keep my eyes out to see if I can get myself a bargain. There's a bit of dust on it, but that'll wipe off. Get a cloth and wipe that off. But yeah, stunning. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of the Wedgwood design? Are you going to get the silver proof if it's still available? Are you just going to get the bunk one? I think I must admit I'm going to be tempted to get the bunk one as well now. But yeah, very happy with that. And let's cross our fingers, and hopefully some of these new designs for 2019 are going to go into circulation, because that would be a real shame if this one doesn't go into circulation, if you ask me. So all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.